United Way is actually our very first social impact partner as a part of our bot games. And so we're really, really excited about that. Can you talk a little bit about why you all chose to be in partnership with us on this challenge?
Yeah, for sure. United Way is really excited to partner with you all on the bot games on the season of giving. And part of the reasons why we're excited about that is it's always really powerful when private and nonprofit sectors come together to create community impact together. So we're really delighted to be your featured nonprofit and to be partnering with you on this campaign. Automation Anywhere, is one of these organizations that's at the forefront around AI and helping to solve problems. And we think United Way Bay Area is at the forefront of fighting poverty. So, we really want to harness the power of innovative technologies to help realize our vision of making an equitable Bay Area for everyone.
So the Bay Area is an epicenter of technology. Kevin, what would you say are some of the unique challenges that the Bay Area faces, and how does the United Way tailor its programs to address some of those needs?
Yeah. So right now, 1 in 4 families in the Bay Area struggle to make ends meet. So that's 500,000 households. They're not earning enough. They don't have what they need. And we know that not everybody in the Bay Area experiences poverty equally.
Mm.
As a result, there are vast racial differences in the Bay Area. Black and Hispanic families experience poverty at more than double the rate of white and API households, and it's due to the generations of underinvestment.
There's such a rich diversity here in the Bay Area, and I think with that comes the need to really tailor what you all do and the programs that you have to serve communities where they are. So I think that's such an important thing that you mentioned. How does an organization like United Way think about capacity? With such an incredible mission, and then how does technology fit into helping to achieve that ambitious vision that you have?
As a relatively small nonprofit serving a really large region, we think about capacity a lot, and we think about how technology and automation could help us further those goals. How can we use automation to stretch our capabilities so that our team members can spend more of their time on mission critical work and impact work versus administrative work? If we can't double and triple the size of the organization, how can we at least make sure each of the committed, um, excellent people that work here, how much can we make sure we're using their time on our mission and not on just the administrative parts of our work?